How to make money on Shopify. So, how to make money on Shopify? Today's topic is how to make money on Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platform that enables merchants to sell its products online through an intuitive interface that integrates the most existing website hosts, providing a seamless transition from a company homepage straight to their digital storefront. For sellers setting up operating a Shopify store is typically straightforward and hassle-free. Uploading products only take a few steps, and monitoring product inventory can be done right from within the platform. Plus, you won't have to manage any of the technology required to facilitate payments, as that all streamlined with the Shopify platform. Shopify isn't only designed to make online is a transaction possible. However, the company also offer a point of sale or POS system, which means you can manage all of your digital and in-person payment within one unified system. You can also stay on top of inventory management across digital and back and mortar store with the Shopify system, and perhaps more important than ever, you can also accept online order and fulfill them in store as necessary. Like most e-commerce platforms, Shopify has tiered pricing structure. Each tier is designed to provide a range of services that match a typical business needs, helping its customers to pay for the services they need without having to pay for those it may not be used. If there is something which we have discussed, this is important. If you are just testing what watches of selling man, Shopify Lite might to be right move for you. This plan only costs of $7 per month and lets you and buy buttons on WordPress, SquarePress, Tumblr, and a host of other web pages. This makes it easier to set up an e-commerce presence with minimal fees. Or you will also get a card reader for in-person purchase. And all in per credit card transaction come with a 2.5% fee. Additionally, Shopify Lite can integrate into your business Facebook page, allow customer to buy your product through this platform. Shopify offers allow customers to support a Facebook Messenger chat through your online store as well as your Facebook page. Better yet, customer can